Hey, so Keelan asked me to do a little bit of a tutorial on a bass drone where it kind of opens up and changes in a breakdown. I like to do this a lot. Now, normally I'll have the drone continue and I'll low cut the drone. So as the new bass comes in, the drone continues, and then the new bass sits underneath. In this track, I didn't do it. I didn't really have to. So let me kind of play you. Well, I'll go from a bass. I'll go from a drone to the new bass, okay? And the bass is just it's just this. It's from my Moog, so I can't show you, but it's just that, just 16th notes. That's it, really. Just 16ths. I use the Moog, but you can use any bass really. Let me try and quickly do one actually. It makes sense to show you, doesn't it? Because my bass works perfectly with it. pretty much it, really. You can use my sub, try different variations of the bass, and if you want, if you've got your sub drone and you don't want your sub drone to stop, all you do is you move your sub drone over, put it on a new channel. I don't know why it's not playing. It's something to do with a Moog, but then all you do, you would EQ out the low end, so the drone gets all the mids, okay, but the sub bass, your new sub bass, figures out all the lows. So hopefully that's useful for you guys, and any questions, ask in the comments.